If you've ever tried climbing into a lifted Ram truck without running boards, you know it can feel like scaling a small mountain. And in bad weather? Forget it. Slippery steps and muddy boots are a recipe for disaster. That's where the right running boards save the day, adding safety, style, and convenience. Today, we're counting down the best options from number 10 to number 1. We're checking out products for Ram 1500 New Body Style Crew Cab. If you've got a different model, there's a link in the description to my website with options for all models. Kicking things off at number 8, AMP Research PowerStep is basically the OG of electric running boards. Designed in the USA, it deploys when the door opens and disappears when closed, improving clearance and aerodynamics. With a 600-pound capacity, stainless steel pivots, and textured anti-slip steps, it's rock solid. LED lights and anti-pinch tech add safety, though you may have to drill a small hole for installation. Number 7. CLAMBER steps offer a solid triangular structure from 2-inch carbon steel tubes, supporting up to 450 pounds each. The 6.3-inch wide step is anti-slip, waterproof, and rust-resistant thanks to a double coating. Bolt-on install means no drilling, and they protect your paint from side hits while giving you a sturdy boost. At number 6, SMANOW Nerf bars are built from heavy-duty carbon steel to resist corrosion. They drop down for easy access, handle over 450 pounds, and feature non-slip treads. Install is straightforward, with only minor drilling needed on certain early models. Perfect if you want a no-nonsense functional step. Number 5. Tyger Auto LanderX mixes style and toughness with triangular carbon steel tubing and a 5-inch drop. Great for lifted trucks. The textured black finish fights rust and corrosion, while the 500-pound capacity means serious strength. Bolt-on install is quick, and Tyger's 5-year warranty has your back. At number 4, Tyger Auto Riser gives you a more factory-style look with ultra-wide 6-inch aluminum steps. The UV-resistant non-slip pads make them safe in all conditions, while the 500-pound capacity offers plenty of support. Installation is a breeze, and the satin black powder coat keeps rust away. Number 3. COMNOVA boards bring a slick stainless steel finish with UV-resistant anti-slip pads. The 6-inch width offers a secure step, and their patented slider design lets you adjust positioning forward or backward. Each side supports 500 pounds, and install is direct bolt-on for most models. At number 2, MaxMate steps bring polished stainless steel style in a 4-inch oval tube design. Rust-resistant, UV-proof, and built to last, they're great for trucks with chrome accents. They install in about 20 minutes and can handle up to 500 pounds per side. Finally, number 1. OEDRO steps take the crown with a unique high-low configuration, letting you swap sides for custom step height. The 7-inch drop is perfect for easy access, especially for kids or older passengers. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel, they support 550 pounds per side, resist rust, and feature laser-cut non-slip plates that stay clean and grippy in any weather. Whether you want techie auto-deploy boards, tough steel Nerf bars, or stylish stainless steel steps, the right running boards can make your Ram safer, more functional, and way better looking. Don't forget, all the links to these products are down in the description, so go check them out. And if you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button for more truck gear reviews coming your way.